This is Jim Emter, Van Ahn & Company, Alexandria, Minnesota, with your closing grain and livestock comments for April 12th, 2016. Corn market today, kind of a choppy day, but we ended up finishing nearly 6 higher on the day. Very productive there. On the bean market today, we were up to the tune of about 8 cents on the close. In the wheat market, we were also up there anywhere from 4 to 6 cents, so not a bad day after we traded really both sides for much of it. As you look to kind of the main driving forces, we did have a USDA crop report today. What they gave us, corn, they came in here and decreased feed usage by about 50 million bushel, increased exports, demand by 25 million bushel, resulted in carryout growth. When you look to 1.862 is really the carryout number we're using now in the bean side of things. They came in here and increased export usage by about 15 million bushel. That dropped our carryout to about 445 million bushel. And on the wheat side of the spectrum, they came in here and decreased the feed use slightly, and the overall tone was a net increase in the carryout there in wheat. So really kind of a mixed bag, not a lot of direction. The world carryouts grew in corn and wheat by about 2 million metric tons and beans slightly. So really not a lot of details to grab onto there. We ended up closing firm, which was a positive sign for if we had broke down today, we might have a little more negativity around. But with the weather forecast kind of chopping back and forth a little bit, we do look for warmer and drier trends. But corn tried to square that up a little bit today. We do have some rain in the 8 to 14 day outlook that we need to watch a little bit. So really kind of a mixed bag to continue here, but we hope that the acres battle can drive us up into some higher tones here in the near term. Looking at the feeder cattle market today, we finished down about 80 ticks across the board there. The live cattle, kind of a similar story, weaker tone. And the hog market on the day, we were down about 25 to 30 cents. Sorry for the quick peek there, but I had to see what we finished. But, you know, really kind of looking at a mixed tone. We were higher and lower, both sides of steady here today, really looking for direction. Unfortunately, cutout values are trying to firm here a little bit, and I say unfortunately because it seems like we struggle to carry them through the next day. If we can see a couple days back to back and get some firm cash, we can get a little momentum here, but we're just trying to buy some time, get some direction. We do think we're in store for a bit, one more rally here, a bit of a rally in the near term for feeder cattle, live cattle, and hogs, but we would use that. We do look for third quarter to be a weaker tone. This has been Jim Emter, Van Ahn & Company, Alexandria, Minnesota. Trading in futures and options involves risk of loss and is not suitable for all producers. Past performance is not indicative of future results. This is a solicitation.